Next 3.2 exercise algebraic numbers, algebra 10th standard, 3.2 exercise max. Now find the GCD of the given polynomial. What is the GCD? Greatest common divisor. Okay, common divisors you have to find it. LCM GCD you have done, isn't it? HCF LCM. Same here. Instead of single digits, you have a polynomial equations, right? Here first equation x power 4, x power 3, x power 3, and x term constant term is there. X square term is missing. Okay, then second equation has x cube term, x square term, x term, constant term. So given polynomial, first check it. For dividing the terms to polynomials, you check the powers. First one is for power 4 and the second one is power 3. So first assume the first given polynomial is f of x and g of x. So the division can be done only if the degrees of the first polynomial f g of x is smaller to the first one. The second one should be smaller to the first one. Then only division is possible. We can divide that f of x first one by a second one. That is first f of x by the g of x. So for division, you write the first given polynomial inside. If the terms are missing, see x square term is missing, so put 0 x square and then write the x term and then constant term. So in place of that x square term 0 x square, you write it. Now in dividing the terms, how will you divide it? First term you take and divide it. See, x power 4 is the first term in the division column, right? Divisor column you have x power 4. So you cancel here, you get x power 4 minus 3, which is x power 1. So the number to be multiplied is x power 1. Understand? So quotient number you find it. For finding the quotient number, you divide the first term by first term. Okay, you get x. Now you multiply the quotient number by all the polynomial, given polynomial by x and write it below that. So x into x cube, what you will get? X power 4. Then x into x square, you will get x cube plus x cube. Then x into minus 5, minus 5x square. Then x into 3, that is plus 3x. Right? Now subtract it. Subtraction means change the sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So first terms gets cancelled. 3 minus 1. No number means it is 1. 3 minus 1, it is 2x cube. Then plus 5x square. 0 plus 5. Then minus, minus, put minus sign. Add here. 1 plus 3, that is 4x. Okay. Next term you have constant. So here 4 terms means you can carry out 4 terms only, right? Minus 3 add it now. Now divide the given one by given g of x. To find the quotient, again you divide the first term of the remainder by first term of the divisor. So you have 2x cube here, here you have x cube. So that x cube cancel, you will get 2. So this 2 should be added over here in the quotient. Along with that x, you add the 2. Now for finding the answers over here, multiply the 2 with all the numbers, polynomial, and multiply and write it here. 2 into x cube, 2x cube. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into minus 5, minus 10x, 2 into 3, that is 6. Now do the subtraction. Change the sign. For subtraction, you change the sign and do. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So for 2x square, 2x cube cancels. So you get x square term, x term and the constant term. Right? 5 minus 2, 3x square, minus 4 plus 10, plus 6x. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So this will be your remainder. So no other terms is there. So this will be your remainder. So write the remainder. 3 into 3 take outside. So x square term, 2x term minus 3. Okay. Either 3 must be equal to 0 or this x square term plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 3 cannot be equal to 0. So you can write x square plus 2x minus 3 is again 0. Again you divide this and find the factorize it or divide it with the given polynomial. You find the GCD, which is a whether the remainder is 0. Till you get the remainder 0, you keep on dividing the given polynomial. Okay. Now we have to divide the given polynomial. What polynomial? X square plus 2x square minus 2 will be your divisor. This remainder will be your divisor. And the quotient will be the before divisor one. X cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. That will be your dividend and the remainder will be your divisor. Okay. So you divided the first polynomial and the second polynomial, you got the remainder. And if the remainder is not 0, you have to keep on dividing again. Then that remainder becomes your divisor That means your x square plus 2x minus 3 will be your divisor, and the second g of x will be your dividend, x cube x square minus 5x plus 3. So your now f of x again, your f of x will be this x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3, and your g of x will be your x square plus 2x minus 3. For dividing again, you check the condition, what the degrees of f of x and g of x is lesser or not, right? G of x should be lesser to f of x, then only you can divide the f of x. So what you are going to do, divide it. Again the same rule, first 3 terms you take it first 3 terms and divide it. Okay, for that you check that quotient number, for that you divide it, x cube first term by first term by x square. So x power 3 minus 2, which is x, is it not? So this x you should write it on the quotient. Now quotient number multiply by all the 3 terms and write over here, x square into x, x cube, 2x into x, 2x square, plus then minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Now subtract it, change the sign, x cube cancels, x square minus 2x square will get minus x square, minus 5x 3x will get minus 2x plus 3. Okay, now again you have to keep dividing till you get 0, right? This x square term, first term, again divide by the x square, divide the first term, and this first term you divide it. Since you get 3 terms, now you can keep dividing. So the remainder will be minus 1. When you keep on dividing, the power terms gets cancelled, you get only minus 1 in the quotient. So minus 1 multiplied by this x square, you will get minus x square, minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x, minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3. So when you subtract it, you change the sign, is it not? So the whole terms gets cancelled, you get 0 as a remainder. Till you get remainder 0, you have to keep on dividing. So once if you get remainder 0, the greatest common divisor will be the last one. What you get? This is x square with which you have divided. That will be your greatest common divisor. The g of x, the x square minus plus 2x minus 3 will be your GCD. Between these two polynomial, the common divisor is x square 2x minus 3.